I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
Driving a lot faster now we have the camera on, dude.
Well, you gotta send it when the camera's on. Everybody knows that. We gotta go jump something.
No, I think I'm good.
Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter.
Getting some cow chow ready, huh? Alright, we're here in the Kubota with Livy, my chauffeur. How do you like being my chauffeur?
Good.
Is it really good? You seriously dig it?
Sure.
The job pays nothing, by the way. Just thought I'd let you know.
Okay.
But she is an excellent chauffeur. If you need a Kubota Uber in Wisconsin, I would suggest you utilize her services. 5 stars, good tip, all that good stuff. Right?
Sure.
Right? Right?
Sure.
Right? All right.
Nowhere I can ramble or roam could change my mind, could slow my coming home.
Oh my god. Has Rich ever had one of these? These are so good. Oh man. Could eat it all day. Over and over.
No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming